I am Abdullah Muqdad Maulud. I'm a student in HMU International Mathematical University in Erbil. And previously I was a student from Ishik schools. I'm very happy to say that this year I could participate in the IMO 2024, which was held in UK in July, as a team leader accompanying 5 students representing both Iraq and Kurdistan in the Math Olympiad. We are happy that this year we could accomplish something we haven't been able to accomplish before. This year, out of 109 countries, our country's ranking was 81st, and we got a total of 50 points. We got 2 bronze medals and 1 honorable mention. The 2 students' names who got bronze medals were Ali Muqdad Maulud and Hatem Muqdad Maulud from Erbil, and Yusuf Wamid from Baghdad, who got honorable mention.
My name is Ali Muqdad Maulud, and I'm a student in Ishik High School.
My name is Hatem Muqdad Maulud. I'm a student in Ishik High School.
So we had 3 rounds, 3 team selection tests. Whoever qualified through the first one made it to the second one, and so on. And then on the last one, only 5 qualified, and they made it to the team.
So after we've been chosen, we were studying 8 hours a day, and we've been studying with other team members of the team online. We were solving old questions from past years, and the teachers were from time to time were giving us lectures and lessons, and were monitoring us.
Well, it was my first time going to the UK, and it was really cool. The weather there was really nice, and it was cool. And the food in there was really good. And we've met people from different countries, and it was really nice. The exam hall was really big, and this was the first time I participated in events such as this.
So the exam is 2 days, each day having 3 problems, and each day having 4.5 hours. Each problem is worth 7 points, so in total there are 42 points, and we as a team collectively got 50 points.
Well, I would say it felt really nice, especially in the first couple of seconds that they announced that I got a bronze medal. I felt really happy that I got a bronze medal, and my family as well, they felt happy for me. And the bronze medal is going to be used to go to different universities outside, such as MIT, Oxford, or like Cambridge, and they give scholarships for that.
The medal is really, it has a really high value, especially in going, it gives you other chances, it gives you chances to go to other colleges and universities from foreign countries, like for example, MIT, Oxford, Cambridge, and there is an example where a student from one country got a medal and now he's studying in MIT.
Well, I felt proud of representing my own country. It was really nice representing the country in front of 109 countries.
Felt really happy and proud for representing my country, especially after we were carrying the flags in front of hundreds of other people, carrying our flags, Iraq's and Kurdistan's flag.
Well, I would say it was really nice meeting people from other countries and meeting people who have different cultures than yours. And overall, it was really nice meeting people that have also different languages.
We made friends from different countries. For example, Raouf from Algeria and Maxime from Spain. We were discussing the problems after the exam days, and were helping each other, supporting each other for giving resources.
First of all, it is all thanks to Allah and my parents, my family, and a special thanks to Stirling and Ishik schools who supported us and sponsored us, and my friends, my teachers, and my team leader, and the country, and everyone who supported us and prayed for us.
All the thanks is to Allah, and also I want to thank my parents, my family, my friends, and everyone supported us, my teachers as well, and everyone supported us across along the journey. And I want to give a special thanks to Ishik and Stirling schools, and a special thanks to the team leader.